Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's fix camera not working and the QR scanner bar not working. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to your settings application. Scroll all the way below, you will see apps. Open your apps, then here search for camera. Tap onto your camera, select permissions. Now make sure that these are the things that you also see in your allowed section. First of all, you're going to have to access camera, microphone, maybe nearby devices, notification, photos, and videos. And if you see the camera is not accessed, select this allow while using the app. Now once done, you're going to have to select storage and clear the cache. Let's go ahead, select force stop. This is a temporary action. Select OK. Now go ahead, restart your device, launch your camera, try again, and it will fix the problem. Thank you all for watching guys. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.